Y'all, I'm still not feeling my best, but these deal scenarios that I came up with for this Saturday, April the 26th at Dollar General were too good not to share. Like, I'm not talking about just the Cascade deal, I'm talking about another dishwashing product, and we're going to get both of them in a deal scenario for less than $4. Yeah. Okay. So, because of me being in my hot mess express feeling not my best, please give me a like, comment, share, all the things for doing this for you guys. But I had to share this deal with you guys. So let's go on and get into these deals. So I've got two different deal scenarios for you guys. One is going to be the under $4 one, and the other one's going to be around $10, but it's stacking DG store coupons to get a gain deal. Okay. I know that there was a question last week on my video about using the app as the calculator. I'm going to show you guys why we don't use the app as our calculator. So I'm going to do that deal first, and then I'll share the under $4 deal because I know that's what you guys want to know. That's the one I want to do. So just keep watching. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end so you do not miss out on any of these deals. And remember, on your 5 off 25, you can only do one deal per account. Okay, that was another question I had. One deal per account. So choose wisely. First thing we want to do, clip this 5 off 25 digital coupon that is good only this Saturday, April the 26th. So the first thing we're going to get is this Febreze Small Space priced at $3.25 and clip this $2.30 off of one digital coupon. Next, grab one of the Cascade Platinum Plus priced at $4.75 and clip this $4 off of one digital. These are going to sell out. Make sure you get to the stores early in the morning. Next, grab an Airwick warmer priced at $4. We were blessed with a new $4 off of one digital coupon, so make sure you get that. And finally, grab two of these Gain scent boosters. They are the ones priced at $9.95. Make sure you check your app to see which ones are attaching to this 2 for $15 store coupon. It's a DG store coupon, not a manufacturer coupon, okay? Screenshot time. These are all the things you're going to need for this deal scenario. So pretty quick and easy deals. Okay, so here's where we're going to get educational, and I'm going to show you why we don't use this, okay? It says we have $31.90 in products, and we have $15.20 in digital coupons. In theory, this is correct right now, but come tomorrow when the 5 off 25 tries to attach, because we've got two DG store coupons, it's going to want you to add more products in order for the 5 off 25 to come off. So it gets wonky. So we never use this when we're doing, especially when we're stacking DG store coupons. So let me show you how I can figure out these deals. I did the exact deal I did last week and it worked out perfectly. So I promise you these deals do work. Okay, so our $15 for our Gain scent boosters, $4 for the Airwick, $3.25 for the Febreze, $4.75 for the Cascade. Takes us to $27. So already the math is off, right? Now, technically the subtotal is telling us what it would be with the Gain scent beads being $9.95 each. So that's why there's a little bit of a difference there, but we need to make sure we're at that $25 mark. So that's why I always do my calculations this way. So instead of $15 and some change for digital coupons, we technically have $10.30 and change. $4 for the Airwick, minus $4 for the Cascade, minus $2.30 for the Febreze. Takes our subtotal down to $16.70. But once our 5 off 25 comes off, we are left to pay just $11.70 for that transaction. Now on to the deal that is under $4. We are going to get rid of the Gain from our previous transaction, but we're going to keep the Cascade, we're going to keep the Febreze Small Space, and we're going to keep the Airwick warmer. Don't worry, I'm going to have a screenshot to show you what all you need to get. Things we're going to add to this deal is we're going to get one of the Colgate toothbrushes priced at $5, clip this $4 off of one digital coupon. And finally, grab one of these Finish, the 28 counts, priced at $9, and clip this $3 off of one digital. Here's your screenshot of everything you need to get in this transaction. So yes, I've already done all of the math to configure all of this out, so you guys do not have to. We have $26 in items, so we already know our 5 off 25 is going to come off tomorrow. We have $17.30 worth of digital coupons, so let me show you this all broken down. As you can see, our $26 minus our $17.30 takes us down to $8.70. But y'all know we are not going to pay that because once that 5 off 25 comes off, we are left to pay just $3.70 for that transaction. That is the price of the Febreze Small Space with tax. Febreze Small Space with tax at full price with no coupon. Less than a 4 for $4 at Wendy's. Yeah, you're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed these deals. Hopefully you're able to get out and score. Let me know if you guys were able to get any of these deals. Let me know how they worked out for you. Of course, always reach out if you have any questions, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Get on out there, get those deals, like and follow along for more.